February 6, 2014. This is a tribute to Les Stroud, aka Survivor Man. So we had an ice storm roll through, and this is what it looks like. Or, I like to say, welcome to another episode of The Trees. Where do we start? 5:20 yesterday morning, I woke up to those nice sounds of buckling branches. And this tree decided to say, yeah, well, we've had enough, and we're checking out. So this is what happens when you mix ice, freezing rain, and trees. Yeah, more money to the tree guys. Whatever. Luckily, though, they all fell, not bringing any power lines down. However, it was close. As you can see here, we almost took this one down. Still waiting for everything to melt. The key to surviving falling trees is to stay inside. And this branch came from our neighbor's tree. Took out a section of this fence here. The only reason I buttressed it up is because we have our little pooch who could get out. Murray, where are you? Come here. Come here. Want to say hi to the people watching at home? Come here. And he was a little scared yesterday because, well, to tell you the truth, we were scared. We're like, what's going to happen next? That's a goner. Everybody's trees wants to hang out in our yard. This is from the neighbor. Buckled right in half. And this is dangling on the transmission power line. Kind of hard to get through to Peco right now, but I gotta say we're one of the lucky ones who got power restored after 10 hours. So thank you, Peco. Although it's difficult right now to call them and convey to them, yeah, you've got a potential issue. Might want to get your tree guys out here to fix that. Not saying it's not my problem, but I hope they answer the phone soon. Dog! Murray, say hi. Hey! Murray! Never mind. I hope we managed to save this shrub. We'll see. This is what we got over here. Good old white pine. Those branches were falling. Smaller ones. I think the only thing we lost was my little fire pit. And if you need to charge your cell phone, get yourself a little brick that could be recharged by the sun, or do what we did, which was run an extension cord to the house, courtesy of our charging system. Which we could find in here. There's the charging mechanism. It's charging right now. Nice. In fact, it's charging a little too hot, but that's what that's there for. So we plugged our long extension cord into the power inverter, and that's how we charged our cell phones yesterday. All in all, pretty nasty storm, I must say. Glad it's over. I hope the rest of you who don't have power right now get power back soon, because this was horrible. That's it for me. Thanks for watching.